I can say you know it that way like I do. Say you're moving on, well I guess that's just emotion. I guess that's just emotion.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring LuvMe Hair. Thank you to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into this look. This is a 13x6 max parting. This is one of their new wigs. I'm gonna pop up a screenshot right here. This wig is bomb, y'all. I have this in a chestnut ombre color, and I'll have all the links and details to this wig down below. You know I have a whole LuvMe Hair playlist, so if you're interested in any other wigs that I may have reviewed from LuvMe Hair, just check out that playlist. Right, for one, this comes pre-styled. This came with curls. The knots are pre-bleached. The lace is pre-cut. Hairline is pre-plucked. Everything is done for you. This wig is bomb. But I went ahead prior to this video and I just pressed the hair out because I wanted to style it a few different ways, and instead of doing all of that on camera, so I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. For all the links and details will be down below, and if you're interested in anything else, check my playlist. Don't forget to like this video, and once again, big thank you to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into this look. Okay, so let's jump into this install. I did take this hair out of the package and I straightened it and I put it into a middle part, only because this is the way I wanted to start the install. This does come pre-styled, and I have inserted pictures of the loose wave style that it comes with. Take a look at that parting space of full 13x6 big lace. You see that? Big. So the exact specs on this is 24 inches. This is for their NatureMAX 200 in density. 200% density, okay? This is the ombre brown with the natural black root, loose wave texture. This is a glueless 13x6 or a 13x4, depending on what you order. And as you can see, this is HD lace. So I'm just cutting this to fit my ears, but this does come pre-cut. This is 100% human hair with pre-cut lace, and this is a Flexi-Fit drawstring cap. So here I am just placing the wig down. I am already sectioning off my part because I know I wanted to do a deep side part look with this. This did come in a side part, but I wanted a deep side part, and I wanted to start with it straight because I know I wanted to add my own pin curls to this. Hair is such good quality. As you can see, it's super soft and silky. I virtually had no shedding. That's one thing I really love about LuvMe Hair. I feel like when it comes to the shedding, they have minimal shedding, and I've done many reviews for them. And this is 100% honest. I do not receive it. It's like minimal. So here I'm using the hot comb and I'm just pressing out the part, defining it so it's nice and flat because you know it was in the middle part. So I'm using the hot comb to move that over. Then I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray to hold that in place. And every and any product used in this video will be linked in the description box, or it'll pop up here on the screen, as well as this wig, and all details will be linked in the description box. So once I'm done doing this, I am going to start to curl the hair. I did leave this as a glueless install. I decided not to use any glue or any spray, so this is 100% glueless. And I know you can appreciate a glueless frontal because I know I can. Look how gorgeous this looks. So here I'm going to turn around and use that drawstring and lock that in place. That is what helps me with this glueless install, because the drawstring is going to secure my wig along with the construction. So that little piece that I have out on the side at the top, that is going to be my baby hair swoop, which is completely optional, but lately I've just been falling in love with the way that swoop looks with the side part. So as you can see here, that lace melts into the skin without any product. 100% glueless. You see, I'm excited. So here I'm just pinning the hair up, and I'm going to take my curling iron and curl everything away from the face and use my sectioning clips and pin those up. So once I'm ready to take those down, I'll be right back. I did want to tell you that this part of the video here, I did do very light layers, very, very light on the side, which I know I wanted to swoop more like a bang, but I didn't want it too short because I do like to keep the length on my wig. So I did light layering and then I curled that back. So here I'm taking down the pin curls, but I do end up recurling this side because I forgot to layer this side. So you will see me go back and recurl that side, but the finished look is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way this holds a curl. Mind you, I literally did not let these pin curls sit long, maybe 15 minutes or so. Imagine leaving these in for an hour. Gorgeous. Look how this side fell. I'm obsessed with this look. As you can see in the beginning of the video, I did come to you with it in the middle part. So the options for styling are endless. You have a really versatile wig because of the parting space. So here I'm going to take that little piece of edge and I'm going to cut that down and swoop it over. But for my middle part style, I did absolutely no baby hairs. So that is optional and that is not something that you have to do. It is just a matter of preference. This is going to be it for the finishing touches on this look. The next part, you'll see me just adding more curls to this side here and then letting those fall down and just showing you some B-roll. I really do like this wig. I'm going to add this to my LuvMe hair playlist, of course, which I have lots of gorgeous wigs for you to check out. They do offer this wig in different colors, so if you're someone that likes this style but not necessarily the color, you can get this in the jet black option. So big thank you to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. Big thank you to y'all for clicking on another video, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye.
Just come outside for the night. Take your time, get your time.